Hi there, it's John Henkel with NETGEAR here at CEDIA Expo and Commercial Integrator Expo 2025 in beautiful downtown Denver. We're going to talk about something that we're known for now, for sure, our lovely AV switches. This is one of our smaller ones. We call it the desktop, I guess. You can mount it under a desktop. It's got mounting holes on the bottom for that, an external power supply. This is one of our M4250 AV line switches, and this makes setting up any kind of AV over IP so much easier. We have a wide range of these, and this works well with the rack behind me as well. You can see our M4250 and M4350 switches. Our whole product line is here. Plus on top you'll see our PR460X router that we use at the show. We're using it for our own internet. So whatever size opportunity you have in the AV business, we have a switch to fit, and we have a team of people to help you figure that out too. So from our 4250 switches, that are meant for like audio over IP a lot, and we'll give you 10 gig uplinks, to our 4350s that have up to 100 gigs now. We have 4 new models we announced this year. We have you covered, we got you covered. So check us out at netgear.com/AV.